You have to act now for this public service loan forgiveness waiver. And I can't tell you how many social workers I've seen commenting online, and everything that I see that they're saying, I think they qualify, and they're just so discouraged that they're not going to apply for the waiver. So what's happening with the waiver? You can apply for consideration of public service loan forgiveness waiver even if you never applied for the program, ever, in the last 10 years. So starting in 2007 to date, if you have worked for any public service employer, you should fill out the employment certification forms and get those years of employment and associated payments on the record. The administration has said that they will count some time of forbearance for some folks. They will count the time that we have had deferment from COVID for payments. It's possible that after October, they reform this program and they change it and you only need 5 years of public service. But what if they don't count the public service unless you get it certified now? We need to tell every social worker in the country this. The deadline is October 31, 2022. Just about a month ago, Dr. McLean and I were at the National Association of Deans and Directors meeting, and we met a social worker who had a very large sum of money forgiven. Like over $100,000, you all. There are executive directors in our own association that have not submitted their paperwork. This is a reminder message. So to all of you, submit your paperwork. I understand that Parent Plus loans can also be discharged. You just have to consolidate. So be wise about how you do this. And if you find yourself in the position that you don't qualify because you work at NASW, we're working on that too. Or if you find yourself in a position that you don't qualify, we're not going to give up on an advocacy because it should be predicated on public service and not the tax status of the employer. If you have received forgiveness, please put your stories in here and write with your recommendations because we're going to continue this advocacy. Department of Education has said they'll continue to work with us, with the advocate community, and we need to collect stories. We collected compelling stories. If you're interested, you can go to our letter to DOED asking for the waiver. It's unbelievable. I think there's like 10 pages of stories of social workers and their experiences. So we need to do the same thing now. If you've gotten forgiveness, the change that it's made in your life and why you think that was the fair thing.